Alright. You coming, Ty? Ty, you coming? Just watch for snakes. Yeah, just go that way. Ooh, scared off a grasshopper. Obviously, here's the place I call Pine View. It's an overcast day with a potential storm coming in, so it's muggy out, and we're sort of looking for snakes. Oh, big doe track, or maybe it's the big doe, I can't tell. Tiny deer, so like a fawn, most likely. Yeah. Ooh, that wind feels nice, so it's nice out here. Ooh, grasshopper. Yeah. This is obviously, like, technically our backyard. Is that? I don't know what type of poop that is. Ooh, turkey feathers. Or turkey feather. At least I think that's a turkey feather. It might be another type of bird's feather. Crickets. You won't see me go through this grass because of all of the ticks. And all of that. But yeah, there's property up like there, behind these brushes, there's a house. So, yeah. Ooh. I don't remember that being there. Maybe was there and I just didn't see it. But yeah. Jesus. Any background noises you really hear is kids playing in a pool. Because, like I said, it's muggy out. It's hot and everything. Oh, deer track. Small doe. I can't really figure out the deer around here. I know about when they come out and all of that. About like 9-10 o'clock, the deer are in the neighbor's yard that is technically abandoned, so it's really not our neighbor's. But yeah. I just ate like a half an hour ago. And now I walked this. Ooh, deer tracks. More deer tracks than I seen before. Aw, the puddle's gone. What? What was it?
No trees.
Yeah, the trees are gone. Yeah, that's why I asked you if you wanted to come up this way. Oh, wait, maybe it's this one here. That is the deer tracks. Okay, yep. There's that deer track. Whew. It is hot up here. I will tell you that much. Oh, yeah, the more I look at that, that's a buck track. Got my hunting tags yesterday, just gotta send out the doe tags soon. I got bear, I may have to go back out for pheasant tags, but yeah. I have a good feeling that I'll get something this year. Hopefully. Last year just sucked. And tons of the hunters we talked to agreed that this year just sucked. But, I can probably show y'all a deer head. It's dead, obviously, but never know. And I'm also recording down here because you might see a squirrel or a tree branch might fall on us. Because these are a bunch of old dead pine trees, I'm guessing. Yeah, I'll wait. Here, ooh, careful, don't slide. And I may actually record walking down this road. I think it's this one. Because people came back and these sticks we took down were all propped up. I don't think you can see it from where I'm at, but there was a deer skull, and then this tree here had a cat's or canine skull nailed to it. That disappeared a few months back. Ooh, there's water still here. Bunch of bugs. Yeah, there's still water. Okay. So we'll know if an animal came through here. Ain't that right, Ty? Well, no. And there's an animal. Okay, yeah. The woods are loud today, so I don't think. Gotta watch this bush because tons of animals come out of it or are in it. Got the wild daisies, you know. There's the road. I'm gonna be very careful when coming. Milkweed. Also, this video will come out before the. Okay, I don't see anything. Before, or actually after the monarch butterfly. I think it's actually a mimic monarch, but it might also be a real monarch. You never know here. Got this small stream creek. Jewel fly just flew past me. I don't think I got it on. Oh, that's killing me now on this walk. I'm doing this walk just to make sure I can find a snake, but most of the snakes you see here are dead, or are gonna be dead, because people kill them. Or you won't see that same snake ever again because it is just passing through. But yeah, there's also property up there, I'm guessing. So there's this like weird tree structure. I don't know if people did this when cutting stuff down, but yeah, it's weird because there's like an axe. I mean, some of these are just breaks, but some of these look like they were propped up, which is weird. Ooh, grasshopper. You can probably see in the road. That was a deer. Oh, there goes the grasshopper. See, this is why I decided to record. Scared a deer off. But obviously, be very careful if you're out in the woods or anywhere that deer are. Because obviously deer are wild animals, blah this, blah that. But deer can be dangerous. Just like, there's normally a rabbit that's around here too. But that wasn't no rabbit, that was too big to be. That was one of a deer. Oh, there goes another grasshopper. Um, hope y'all like this nature walk too. Obviously, there's a plane coming through. I'll walk over here real quick. Show you some of the deer tracks here. You know, stuff like that. Let's go. Let's see. Wanna walk back up that way and come down? Okay. Just passing through. Ouch. Passing through. It is hotter than a yeah, it's hot. I can show y'all the snake now, maybe. Okay. Let's see, where's the snake at? Ooh. Butterfly. Yep, see, there's the snake. Alright, let's go. Let's see. Here. Sometimes there's snakes here, but we've only seen one on the road. But no, yeah, stuff like this. So we're getting close to the house now, so I'll end the video here. Hope y'all enjoyed the nature walk and, well, the surprise deer. Even though you couldn't see it, y'all heard it. I know y'all had to have. And of course I was trying to grab a grasshopper and I scared a deer off. But no, yeah. So yeah. Bye, and yeah, hope y'all enjoyed. See you next time.